Hello, our social media family. Johan Fonseca with Empire AV inviting you to come look, listen, and live with us. We're doing a walkthrough of this $1.5 million home today. This is a partnership between Empire AV Services and Furnsten Building Group, one of our awesome partners. This is a home that we pre-wired. We brought you in at the rough-in stages. Now it's time to walk. It is on the market, but I'm gonna show you all the details and everything that this partnerships include. Let's go check it out. All right, we made it inside. Did you guys hear that? That is the alarm. All of the Furnsten homes are going to be pre-wired for security. All of the contacts, all of the windows, all of the entry points are already wired, and we install all of the contacts. Not only that, but we also include a Honeywell security system. These touch panels are actually going to give you the options to arm and disarm the system while you're home. It's going to allow you to also integrate other features of home automation into the household. We do specialize in Control 4, but there's multiple ways to automate your home. The security panel is going to give you the option to integrate some of those. Door locks, lighting, audio, video. This house has actually been pre-wired. It is on the market. And if I take you into this beautiful living room and this awesome kitchen, it is set up for home audio. So we do have a 5.1 pre-wired into the living room. All these blank plates in the ceilings are set up to allow you to add the speakers that you want. Everything in this house, as you can see, we're trying to keep it neat and aesthetically pleasing, so everything is wired upstairs. All right, so I'm not gonna take this down because I don't wanna get in trouble, but behind this, there is a power outlet, data lines, and coaxial. Why? This will be a great place to put up a television. The Samsung frame will be a great example. Those TVs is probably our #1 selling television. It allows you to turn off the TV. Once you turn it off, the actual television becomes a picture frame. So I did want to show you that this room is also pre-wired for TV, speakers, and Wi-Fi expansion, which we'll get to that in a second. All right, so imagine this. You're having a party, you're having a gathering. You open up the doors, now your audio, it's in there and out here because we also pre-wire the patio for in-ceiling speakers. We are big on entertaining. We are big on your lifestyle. We pre-wire these homes to allow you to add as many features and things as you want that fit your lifestyle. If you do a lot of entertaining, if you're doing a lot of barbecue, this will be a great place to pop in some speakers because it's already pre-wired and be able to rock out while you cook out. So you can see in these corners, we have a television on that side to be able to add, so you can add a television. It is pre-wired with additional cat cables. That way we can pull audio out of the television and send it into the speakers. And if you look at this corner, it is pre-wired for cameras. So security is big on us. As I showed you from the entry point, we wire the homes to allow you to add as many cameras as you may need to cover the exterior of the home. Our DVRs also give the option to add more. If for whatever reason the builder's package doesn't have enough cameras, we can always add more. Made it to the game room. We're big on entertaining, as you know, so this room is pre-wired for a 5.1. This would be the place where the television goes. However, this is a multi-purpose room. If you want to do something more on the larger screen, you can also do a short throw projector. It is going to have a lot of ambient lighting, so making sure that we pick the right screen to put up this short throw or a television, it is something that we gotta keep in mind. This closet here is where everything was wired. Whenever this homeowner moves in, we do leave a lot of slack, as you can see. This is going to go down the wall and be able to pull up and attach to a rack. That way, if we ever need to service it, if we ever need to add anything, we have the option to do so. As you can see, everything is color coded. We try to make it as easy as possible for us and for the homeowner to be able to have as much slack as we need to add whatever equipment this homeowner may need. One of the things that I want to point out, like always, is that our standard does include fiber. So fiber, cat cable, speaker lines, coaxial, additional conduit, and security. We're ready for whatever. Let me take you over there. Another guest room with a beautiful view. I do want to highlight as much as I can of the house because our builders, I'm in beautiful homes, as you may see. I've walked you through some of them. I can't walk you through all of them because we do an average of about 100 homes a year. However, I do want to point out on this video our partnerships. Our goal is to be able to bring not only the world of YouTube into the homes that we pre-wire, but highlight our builders, our partners, the realtors that we work with. Beautiful home, pre-wired by the best, making our way into the master bedroom. So let me show you. This room here, it's set up for home audio. We got 2 speakers in the ceiling, facing this way so you can have a right and a left. TV is right behind you, so as I turn you this way, this usually, most homeowners, instead of having pictures, they're gonna have a TV up here. So it is wired for data lines. Speakers in the ceiling, additional data lines so we can pull audio from the television and send it into the speakers. This is also another location where we pre-wire. If the client wants to add an additional keypad, this is where you can wire it. Empire AV Services does do security. So this is where we would set up the client. Awesome thing is, if you want to keep the walls neat and you don't want to put in any additional keypads, everything can go into your phone. Alarm.com will allow you to arm and disarm this home. So yeah, wanted to bring you into the master bedroom. Let me take you to this beautiful master bath. I got one more room to show you after this, and then we're gonna close off this video. The laundry room. I'm just kidding. There is a game room upstairs that I want to show you. This builder took advantage of every square foot in this house. Come on. All right, we made it to the 3rd floor. This right here is just for future thinking. This was an afterthought, so we took advantage of every square foot in the house. This is a great place for us to pop in an extra pair of speakers in the ceiling. We do have access to wire if we want to drop these into the additional room, into our rack room, because we have conduit coming into the attic. So wanted to show you every single square foot of this house. It's a beautiful home, it's still out on the market. If you want to get it, please reach out to our realtors. Please reach out to the builder. I appreciate you joining me today. This was a highlight of our partners. This was a highlight of what we do in these homes. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have yourself an awesome day.